wanted to show y'all real quick how I am installing these soft locks over my locks, and it's super easy. So I've had my locks for about 4 months now. I still got jewels on it. So I've had them for about 4 months now. I got them done in, when did I get them done? June, I think. So about 3 months. Yeah, for about 3 months now, going on 4 months. And I absolutely love them, y'all. Like, I feel like this is one of the best decisions I've made thus far. So, okay, I just wanna show y'all how quick and easy this is. I did a retwist not too long ago, so I wasn't too much worried about that. If you want to get a retwist, I guess you can. I'm still learning when it comes to my locks. But yeah. I'm not going to use product throughout my head. I'm just going to use a little bit on my edges. Just to lay them down. So like the first, just a little bit. To get them edges together, honey. Let me show y'all how simple this is. So you literally take a lock, open the latch on the crochet needle. You put that through first. Then you attach the lock onto the needle. Close the latch and pull it through. Then I like to just push the needle right back through. Well, it came out this time, but I push it through and it opens up. And then I put my actual lock in the hook this time. And pull it through. So then you just tighten it. Right? Okay, so now I take the curly hair that I have. I like to fluff it out a little bit. So I don't put it like in half because you have to wrap this around your lock. I'm sure y'all know that now, babe. I just take probably about this much. And I hold it in the hand with my regular lock and the soft lock. And then you just wrap the curly hair around. Now you don't want to wrap it too tight around your root because you don't want all that tension. So I normally wrap it like 2 times and then I start wrapping down. Now the curly hair is just there to conceal your lock, but it doesn't have to be super perfect. And so I wrap down until my lock is covered. And then I start wrapping back up. Now, I don't use any glue or anything on these. To seal them, I just keep wrapping. That loose hair, I don't know if y'all can see that. It's just like a little piece of loose hair. That's what's going to seal the lock for you. And then just give it a little rub. Boom. Y'all guess what? If I put these locks in my head, it's over. I just want y'all to know that. Okay, it's too early to be playing. Okay. It's really not early though. I think it's like 10 o'clock. I haven't even looked. And my watch is off. My watch says 11, but it's not 11. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all again. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Now y'all, I went in my local beauty supply to find some locks, but I couldn't find any to match my hair color. And I got my hair colored maybe, I don't know, it hasn't been that long, maybe 2-3 weeks ago. I got my hair colored. And I know my roots, you know, was still gonna be kind of like that color. So I wanted to color match. Anyways, my local beauty supply didn't have any, so I had to go on Amazon. So I will link these locks as well as the curly hair, blah, 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 blah. Got tongue tied. The curly hair that I have, I got from Amazon as well. I'll link that down below. So y'all can go grab y'all some. And this color would be considered a 350. It's a copper-like color. Hold it. Nope. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, y'all, at this point, I decided to just do a voiceover because so much was going on, y'all. It was so much noise. And of course, my son wanted to be all in the video. But I'm just showing y'all again on how to install them. And it's really, really easy. It's simple, y'all. You literally just crochet that lock under your real lock, you know, pull it tight, and then just wrap that hair around. Now remember, y'all, do not wrap that curly hair too tight around your root because it will break it off. Like, I literally wrap it 2, maybe 3 times, and then I start wrapping down. It's really simple. I know at the end of this video I'm gonna insert clips from a photo shoot that I had to do, so I'm gonna insert that as well as a few pictures so y'all can see that your girl was looking how she was looking, okay? But one thing I will say, y'all, if I didn't have locks, I would have definitely made my parts bigger. So that was one thing that really kind of bothered me with this style. I didn't keep it up too long. They were so heavy because it was so many of them. Now, one thing I will recommend if you have locks is to maybe combine your locks instead of putting a soft lock on every one of them. Combine 2 of your locks or 3 of your locks depending on the size and do the same method. Crochet that hair through and wrap that curly hair around. And y'all, here's the videos of me at the photo shoot. Like, those locks was popping off, y'all. I really love them. And I think I'm going to run them back and do another video, but just combining a few of the locks so y'all can see how they look as well. If y'all are feeling this video, let me know down below in the comment section. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.